Welcome back to the channel for 16876 Jamaica people. And right now people, we're in Port Royal. And now people can see them start bring back the cruise ships them over here. The video will probably be short because I have to go and do a photo shoot quick. But yeah, again on people 4162876 Jamaica again, and let's check it out. So I'm gonna do a photo shoot right here, quick time for these guys. I don't even think I'm gonna use my lights or stuff like that. Just gonna use my flash and just do a quick shoot and get it over with for here. But look at the view and check it out, all the boats and everything. Fish them. I might even get that steam fish too, you know, my people. I might even get a steam fish from over Port Royal right now still. So we're just gonna walk through this area and show you guys how it look over Port Royal. It's like I'm a walking, traveling tourist everywhere. Just don't like the water. God knows, couldn't see me like this. I need to have a nice little beach over here so in a Port Royal. People can come swim and turn it back in a tourist. It's a tourist attraction, you know, my people, because a whole heap of people do have a glorious right, you know. Probably need to buy all myself a one steamers. God know, but I don't know much a pound. So right here, so now people, it's called Glorious. I'm gonna walk around and show you guys. So it's a little bit dark out right now. It was raining a little bit and stuff, but the rain gone. So I'm just gonna walk over Port Royal show, you know, and stuff like that right now. So right now, right outside the police station. Alright, that's now Glorious. But I'm gonna walk around to the next area first and see if we can step back around. Right now, right outside is the famous Glorious, where you get all of your fish and your lunch and your dinner and stuff like that. A lot of tourists is here and everything like that, so you can see the place, you know. So everybody here vibing out and chilling. They have a bank here and a Port Royal police station right here also. So Jamaican Custom Agency. Just a going a simple walkthrough right now, you know, my people. Showing us that we're all about everywhere. Brand Jamaica, same way, you know, no negativity. No do negative videos, my people. You know, right over here now, I think it's the historical buildings and stuff like that. I think you have to pay to go over there, but we don't have time for really go over there now. So I'm just gonna walk them out to the front and get some pictures, and then we gotta be on our way to St. Thomas. So it's like an all-day tour we do at Jamaica today, my people. So you might see me in the same thing now, one next video or next video or next video. Cause from the end of the era, why not get a video done? Right? So I walk through the area like everybody I fix up. But I love to get a spot over here to, you know, my people. But there's no spot in Port Royal, period. Nobody now still no land or thing over here. So every land over here. So the last time me come over here, before we even build the house, we drove over here and said we gonna try, but then I realized, yo, storm and thing and stuff like that. It's not a playpen. Remember in a Port Royal used to be one of the, I'm trying to go through the hood part. Port Royal used to be one of the richest places, you know, in the Caribbean, you know. You understand? Mommy, I lie. Port Royal used to be one of the richest places in the Caribbean, right? Yeah. And before it sink and stuff. And the wickedest place too. Yeah, man, my people. Oh, pirates them. You see that, my people? So this is the box scoop of Port Royal right now, you know. Right now, lands are, you can't even get a piece of land over here, sir. Okay. Walk back on it. Walk through the area and go through. So we are going to exclusive before we go back on the street right now. At the back side of the ghetto right now. Seeing way through Port Royal. Exclusive now, get to see my people. No, I'll show you up on camera, mommy. Nah, show you up on camera, don't worry about it. Yeah. So I walk through the back side of Port Royal right now. And stuff like that. And I go back out on the front right here, so now see exclusive Even the houses look right now. People open now like, share and subscribe, you know, because nobody now read out of this phone, you know. I just 1G alone. I walk through the area them phone. I hear them, I may hear them talk all the real Jamaican language and stuff like that. Yeah, we have to hear them. We still got a police force over here and everything too. Yeah. And we'll walk back around. We can still do some more. You know. Peter, you soon ready? With what?
Because I can't even talk to. I don't even have anyone I can talk to. Only one person in this world I can talk to.
Oh, your wife just broke.
Everyone else. I wasn't trying to speak about absolutely anything.
But what are you talking about? I didn't just. What are you talking?
It's about shit.
So right now we're at Port Royal again, and this is gonna be just a Port Royal video shoot, a Port Royal walkthrough. Because right now we're just doing a Port Royal photo shoot before we gotta drive out and stuff. Probably walk over this and show now behind the scenes of the fishermen's them and stuff. But this is a setup for today because all of them want to see the big boat. So I said, you know what? We'll drive to St. Thomas today, so why not head over to Port Royal before we move in? You know, make them come enjoy themselves over Port Royal. Remember again, them people, this place used to be one of the best places in the world back in them time. The richest place and one of the sinnest place. That's why when all the youth them do sinful life, right? As I used to be the pirates, like all the pirates of the Caribbean, right? As I used to be the pirates of the Caribbean. Place and more people say like them take a ferry and go over to the big boat. You see, Peter, like them take the ferry from the big boat and go over.
Yeah, that's how you get off the cruise ship.
Yeah, so like that will go on right there. So them take the ferry from the big boat from the cruise ship to that over there. So is Portmore, 4 room over there. So the new hotel them from there. So all of that Elsha they round the corner from that. That all of that a Portmore used to connect to Port Royal. All of that right now, over there, all of that's Kingston right now. All of that's Kingston. Cause the airport they right over there so also. And then now when they move from Kingston, you go to St. Thomas and then St. Andrew they over that side there also. So everything is in the one area. We have the fisherman them outside and thing. Probably I'll cut up all 2 fish and stuff like that right now too. So everybody just do them own thing right now. We just vibe out and we just do a one quick photo shoot over here. I don't know if I feel them igloo things.
Sorry?
Stuff, me pick up my stuff them. So, yeah, don't go close to the edges, eh? So, yeah, people. So we just do a quick photo shoot outside of here and stuff. I don't know, can do. Take the boat go somewhere. Where boat go? Line. How much you go over there, sir? 3,000 person round trip. That's too much out of our budget right now then. Wait, can tell them on the camera me that, so at least when they come to Jamaica, I don't know if you want to tell them. Wait. Okay, come again. Tell them like if they come to Port Royal, so people if they come to Port Royal as a tourist and stuff like that, they bring you to alright. Just explain how it works.
Take them up from the pier here and carry them to the beach and go back with them anytime them want to come.
And it's called Lime Key. Like is it like White Pretty Sun or something like that?
Yeah.
How far is it from here?
About 15-20 minute drive.
And you just go over there. So one night at a time we have to come back. Hi, where are you from? Okay, we're from Toronto. We just do a photo shoot for them, my photographer and stuff, you know? So, yeah, man.
Come and put my face on the camera.
Yeah, man. Tell them your number.
Come get enough people for go live.
That's what you need to tell them your number.
Yeah.
You have a number with it, you can tell them so them when them come here, them can contact you straight. You don't have no number. So how people gonna contact you? But remember your business number, you know.
Yeah, but I can't just be brawling so.
That.
No, who is who I go call you at that time. People can just call you like Joe.
But a business, yeah, promotion and marketing.
You want all the viewers.
Wait. 1876.
Number 1-865-7008.
So again, still start from 1876, right?
1-876-865-7008.
And your name? Or whatever
Goat.
fisherman name we go by?
Ram Goat.
Ram Goat.
Yeah, man.
So people, you have to come over here, sir, and you have to check out Ram Goat. If you are trying to go, name Lime Key. So the boat come from Lime Key, and you say $3,000 per person.
Yeah, round trip.
Round trip, and kids are free.
If it's a majority of kids,
Yeah.
we take like half price, but like a 2 person, 2 kids, just carry the kids and feed them, adults.
Okay, Lime Tree. She say you're cute, AJ. She said you're cute.
Say thank you.
You wanna go to Miami with her? Alright, bless up on yourself here, family.
You're trying to sell off.
Alright, my daddy, go on and do thing, you see?
I have nothing to say about that.
Yeah, no, I'm selling them right now. Alright, Peter, see people that compliment your kids, Peter.
God
You have
made me do a couple things in life right.
Alright, so you're good in our life. So, Lime Tree is like they have music over there and stuff like that. So you go over there by yourself? Oh, your friends are over there? So you just come back Jamaica by yourself and go over there by yourself?
Yo, you're brave.
See that people? Look, she come by herself to Jamaica. You see Jamaica bad as what they say? You know? Oh, Liz, you just go vibe out over there then. Tell you have Instagram, you can tell me your Instagram and things.
I am Indian doll.
Indian, I'm a photographer and thing. I'm Director J, alright? But the channel's called 416 to 876 Jamaica. So you can go over there and you see yourself, okay? Alright, but you can't, my director, you just mention for Instagram if anything, so I can send in the video. Director J, alright? Alright, people. So I'm going to go Lime Key right now. And I'm going to go bless up themselves. See the boat ahead out there now. Again, him said $3,000 to go to Lime Key. Peter, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, my people.
Here, let's take some pictures.
That's it now, people. We're going to take some pictures. And then we're going to follow you guys back in. But this is the Port Royal vibe right now. It's me walk through it. Just so we talk to the people. And so we shoot it over here. And again, come and enjoy Jamaica, my people. And just stay away from negative people, negative vibe. And you'll be fine. Alright? That is it. Everybody bless upon yourself. Wait, look at me, guys. Look at me.
Let go of your chain. Let go. Let go so them see it. Sure. Yeah.
All right, guys. Look at me again now.
Smile. Say cheese. Yay. Good girl. Pinky.
Just stop back though. So you can see all of
Show me your chain. Here, leave it.
And AJ, you step out for a bit. Come, AJ, come here.
Just stop right here.
No, step out for a bit. Peter, come. Stand here for a bit.
Come.
Stay here. Hold on. All right, Peter.
Where the pinky go? Smile. Say cheese. Cheese.
Where Pinky go? Yeah. Where are you?
Come find me.
Boo. Hi. There you are. Hey, look. Sorry.
See boat behind you. Look at the camera. Look here. See boat here.
Look.
See boat here.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Yes, baby. Wow.
Thanks.
Look, Pinky, look it over here. Look. Thanks. Yo, here, Pinky, go like this. Look, watch. Go like this. Give me a thumb. Fist bump. Yeah.
Take over here. Right,
AJ, your time.
Run in, AJ.
No run, no run, no run. Don't run.
Come.
Come, Pinky.
Look at the camera and smile.
Dada,
Yeah.
Dada,
Give me one of these.
Dada, take picture.
Fist bump. Elbow. Look at the camera.
Dada
alright.
playing with
Like
AJ.
this. AJ, like this.
Dada. Yes, Pinky.
Ready?
See there?
See there?
Yeah, boat. Look, there's a
One
boat.
really nice one like this.
What?
Boat, yeah.
A
Alright.
bird step on the board.
Yeah, bird up on the boat. See over there, so.
Huh?
Bird.
Bird.
Yeah, bird.
I am bird.
Yeah,
I am bird that.
yeah.
I am a bird that.
Yeah, AJ bird.
A pink bird that.
Yeah, pinky one.
A pink one that.
Yes,
All
pinky
you
one.
guys now.
I am bird.
Yes, pinky one.
Come.
Pink bird.
Come. Fix up your
Dirt all
brow.
over there.
Yeah, well, people, so we're out here and we're taking some nice dope shots. I'm trying to get it done before the sun come back out, because if the sun comes back out, I don't like those shots. So I'm happy it's cloudy right now. God bless me right now to get them right picture quality, because
Yes.
when it's sunny, it's cloudy, my light hits, you pop, you know what I mean? But if it's sunny, you don't get them type of light in there, right? So Peter, you're liking the shoot. Look how Peter
I'm
look out.
liking the shoot. This is the vibe that I've been waiting for.
BMU records, my people. Oh, you enjoy your stay so far in Jamaica?
It's been wonderful. What do you think?
Oh, you
what do
like
you
the
think?
steak?
Have you been having fun?
God.
Tell the people how much fun. A whole heap? Say a whole heap of fun.
Why are you?
All right, come, you know. Piggy Ping, say hi to the camera. Think I always say hi. Shan, you having fun? Enjoying yourself? All right. You wanna call out your business? Sean, you wanna promote your business? No, not yet. All right, well, people. So we're still at Port Royal. All right, Sean, come now. I don't want to distract. Yeah.
Pinky, you know the baby crazy?
No, me I say you and her. All you guys. Yeah, all you guys.
It's just a Shan and Pinky now.
Yes, so now we're just finish up the photo shoot right now in Port Royal, people. In Port Royal we are right now, vibing out, enjoying ourselves, and calling it a day. Yeah, man, my people. So everybody go and stay tuned. Everybody bless upon yourself. Again, son, look for me too. Hey, no, don't run up and down here. Cause we on a ledge. Alright, people. Again, bless upon yourself. We're doing our photo shoot, family shoot, day 2. So everybody bless upon yourself. 416-876 Jamaica. Out.